Have you ever felt like your body just needs a hard reset? A way to clear out the old and bring in the new? Well, what if I told you the secret isn't in some expensive detox juice, but in something your body is naturally designed to do? Today, we're diving into the incredible science of fasting and how it acts as your body's ultimate reset button. Let's start with a fascinating process called autophagy. Think of it as your body's internal housekeeping crew. When you fast, your body, lacking a constant supply of energy from food, starts a deep cleaning process. It identifies old, damaged, or dysfunctional cells and recycles them for energy or to build new, healthier cells. It's literally spring cleaning from the inside out. This cellular cleanup is crucial for slowing down the aging process and keeping your internal systems running smoothly. It's not about starvation, it's about giving your body a strategic break to repair and rejuvenate itself. But the benefits don't stop there. Have you ever experienced that mid-afternoon slump after a heavy lunch, where all you want is a nap? Fasting can help you kiss that goodbye. When you fast, your body switches from burning glucose to burning fat for fuel, producing ketones. These little energy powerhouses are a fantastic source of fuel for your brain. The result? Many people report experiencing incredible mental clarity, sharper focus, and a steady stream of energy throughout the day. No more wild energy swings or brain fog. You feel consistently alert and ready to take on whatever the day throws at you. It's like upgrading your brain's operating system. Now you might be thinking, do I have to go on some extreme, week-long fast to get these benefits? Absolutely not. Research shows that even short, regular fasts can have a profound impact on your health and longevity. We're talking about things like intermittent fasting, where you might fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, or trying a 24-hour fast just once or twice a week. These manageable approaches can trigger autophagy, improve your metabolic health, and have been linked to a longer, healthier life. It's about finding a sustainable rhythm that works for you and your lifestyle. Fasting isn't a punishment, it's a powerful tool for self-care. So fasting is more than just skipping a meal. It's a powerful, natural way to hit the reset button on your body, clearing out cellular junk, sharpening your mind, and potentially adding healthy years to your life. Of course, always remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to HealthFacts for more deep dives into your well-being. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.